Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, September 22nd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. Happy first day of fall. I can't believe that it's fall already. So today I'm going to talk to you about, I'm going to give you a little fall equinox motivation. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, it's a new season and it's a great time to assess what is working for you and what is not working for you, both in life and business, but we'll keep this video about business today. All right, so basically every time a new season, it's a new start for you, right? So you want to go and look at what is working for you and what isn't working for you. All right, kind of like what I do at the end of each month. I'll go in, I'll analyze what I did, what results I got, and then I will go and figure out a game plan moving forward and continue doing what is working, and then maybe try different things or stop what isn't working, and so on and so forth. So that's what you should be doing if you're serious about building an empire. You should be focusing on your business. Forget the shiny object syndrome, get rid of that, and really focus on what is working for you. All right, and if nothing's working for you, then you got to figure out what you need to do to have things start working for you. All right, you want to plant seeds that I talk about all the time. So that might be mailing postcards, letters, flyers, might be handing out business cards, using drop cards, producing content on, posts on Facebook or videos on YouTube, and find what resonates with you the best and continue doing it. Staying consistent, planting those seeds, because you don't want to plant 100 seeds and start watering them and then next week plant another 100 seeds and start watering those. You want to take those seeds that you're planting and continue watering the same seeds so that over time those seeds start growing and you start having success, right? You have to have a long-term mindset when it comes to building an empire, and know that you're not going to get rich overnight. That it's going to take time, it's going to take a lot of work, and it's going to take consistency. But if you do those things, over time those seeds will grow, and they can be huge money trees that grow from your efforts. So it's a short message today, but that's basically what I wanted to talk about, is that start new ideas, take bold actions for your empire. Stay consistent with those actions, and just know that small daily steps lead to massive results if you stay consistent. If you're willing to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. All right, I talk about the income producing activities. You want to be doing income producing activities every single day, watering your seeds. So whatever resonates with you, continue doing it every day. Because you want to have, at the end of the day, you want to have a minimum of 2 people opting into your capture pages or viewing your sales pages. Right? The power of 2. And like I talk about, at the end of the year, if you do introduce your business to 2 people minimum every single day, that'll be 740 people introduced to your business over the course of a year. And if you have a 10% conversion rate, which is a little bit high, but just for easy math, that could possibly be 74 new people into your business over the course of a year. All right, I think I'm at like 100. I'm right around the 100 mark right now, going into fall with new signups that I've had into my businesses this year. I'm at like 98 or 99. My goal is 120 every year, so I think I'm hoping that I'll pass that this year. But you have to set goals like that and stay consistent and show up every day, whether you want to or not, if you're going to have success and build an empire. And most people don't do that. Most people don't have it in them to show up on days they don't want to show up. But that's what separates the winners from the losers. And blocking all the negative around you if possible. Just focusing on your business. You have to do it. It's it's a short-term thing for long-term results, right? I mean, you want freedom at the end of the day, time freedom, be able to do what you want when you want for as long as you want and have cash flow coming in. And so it might take you a year or 2 or even 3 years to get to there. But if you take those 2 or 3 years and block out everything and just focus on it, you'll get there. That's what separates it. The people at the top and the people that never get to the top. So my message is just, it's a new season. Maybe you've been slacking off and not focusing on your business like you should be. But there's no better time than now to start focusing on your business. Even if you're working full-time another job, take an hour or 2 of your day, because we all have an extra hour or 2, and stop scrolling on your phone, stop watching Netflix, stop doing dumb things or whatever it is you're doing that you shouldn't be doing, and focus on your business. Focus on your business if you're serious about building an empire. And over time, you'll get results. Consistency will get you results. It's just gonna happen if you stick with it long enough. So anyway, I'm at the soap shop right now. Got to do a few things here. Then I'm headed to the post office to drop off another stack of some mail going out with my free silver bar offer in it. And that's it. And then back to the grind. But decide what today you're going to start. Maybe do different. What are you going to improve on? What are you going to stop doing? And set up a game plan so that moving forward, you're on the right path to building your empire. All right? Fall's here. So what seeds you plant today, the seeds that you plant today will build your empire, all right, if you stay consistent. So anyway, that's it for this video. If you find value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great fall season. I'm here for you. If you need anything, reach out and start building your empire, all right? So with that being said, I hope you have a great day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.